So which of these does Python actually run when you call sorted? Well, neither exactly. It runs something called Timsort. Timsort is a clever hybrid. It scans your data for runs, stretches that happen to be sorted already, and merges those, using insertion sort for the tiny pieces. Real-world data is often partly sorted, and Timsort exploits that beautifully. And there is one more property you will come to care about deeply: stability. A stable sort keeps items that are equal in their original relative order. Why does that matter so much? Sort your users by city. Then, with a stable sort them again by age. Now they are ordered by age, and within each age, still ordered by city. You can layer sorts on top of each other. That is quietly powerful. So in practice, you will almost never write a sort yourself. You call sorted, you trust Timsort, and you spend your cleverness on choosing the right key. Let the library do the heavy lifting.